How have US work visas evolved through legislative changes? Imagine trying to keep up with a moving target. That's what navigating US work visas can feel like. Over the years, laws have shifted to shape who can work here and under what rules. Back in 1965, the Immigration and Nationality Act amendments changed everything. They replaced the old quota system based on where people came from with a preference system. This new system focused on family reunification and skilled workers. It created categories for workers with specific skills, which laid the foundation for modern work visas. It also limited immigration from the Western Hemisphere and assigned occupational skills to preference classes, emphasizing the importance of skilled labor. In the 1980s, the Immigration Reform and Control Act of 1986 made a big impact. It introduced employer sanctions, meaning companies could be fined if they knowingly hired undocumented workers. This law also legalized millions of undocumented immigrants who had been working here, recognizing their economic contributions. It increased the role of the Immigration and Naturalization Service in enforcing work-related immigration rules, making sure employers followed the new laws. The Immigration Act of 1990 further expanded work visa options. It increased the total number of visas available and revised preference categories to better match the labor market. It raised legal admissions by about 50% and created new categories. It also increased the cap on H-1B visas, which are for high-skilled workers like those in technology or specialized fields. Throughout the 1990s and into the 2000s, the H-1B visa program became a key part of U.S. work visa policy. Laws required companies to first try hiring U.S. workers before applying for H-1B visas. They also banned hiring H-1B workers if American workers had been laid off from similar roles. The cap on H-1B visas has been debated often, showing the ongoing balance between economic needs and protecting U.S. workers. More recent efforts include the 2013 Border Security, Economic Opportunity, and Immigration Modernization Act. It aimed to increase work visa numbers, including raising the H-1B cap and creating new visas for low-skilled workers. Although the bill passed the Senate, it did not become law. Executive actions like deferred action for parents of Americans tried to give work permits to undocumented immigrants with U.S. citizen children, but faced legal challenges and were blocked. For Middle Eastern immigrants, these changes mean more options but also more complexity. Many pursue H-1B visas for specialized jobs or family-based visas when possible. Understanding these laws helps immigrants plan their journey and stay informed about current policies. It's important to keep track of legal requirements and changes because they can affect your ability to work and live in the United States. Staying updated makes the process smoother and helps you make the best choices for your future here.